Hi, I'm Sammy from Fawziacademy. In this video, I will talk about Chrome freezes after the Windows 10th of April 2018 update 1803. Use the Windows shortcut keys. Try to press the shortcut keys Windows logo key plus Ctrl plus Shift plus B simultaneously to wake the screen. Go to Microsoft Fix-It. Fix problems that block programs from Microsoft website. Click Download. Run the program. Follow the instructions to fix the problem. I will provide you with a link to Microsoft website in the video description area. Go to Microsoft Update Catalog. Download and install the Cumulative Update KB4103721, released for Windows 10 version 1803, includes a fix for Chrome and Cortana freezing issues. Follow the instructions to fix the problem. Recreate the Chrome browser profile. The corrupted Chrome browser profile could also lead to the Chrome freezes issue, and you could recreate it. Follow these steps. Restore your system to an earlier version. Follow these steps. Thank you for watching Fawziacademy. Please like, subscribe, share this video, and visit our website fawziacademy.com.